AI Agents Explained, the next evolution of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than ever, but most AI systems today still work in a very simple way. You ask a question, the AI gives you an answer, and then it stops. But what if AI could do more than just respond? What if AI could actually complete tasks for you? Imagine giving an AI a goal, not just a question, a real task. For example, research the latest AI trends, analyze the data, and write a report. Instead of replying with a single answer, the AI starts working. It searches the internet, reads multiple sources, analyzes information, organizes the results, and finally produces a complete report, all automatically. This is the core idea behind AI agents. And many researchers believe AI agents could represent the next major shift in artificial intelligence. To understand why AI agents matter, we first need to understand how AI works today. Most modern AI systems operate in a prompt-response loop. You type a prompt, the AI processes that prompt, then it generates a response. This model works extremely well for many tasks: writing content, answering questions, summarizing documents, generating ideas. But the system stops after a single interaction. It doesn't continue working, it doesn't search for new information on its own, and it doesn't execute a sequence of actions. In other words, traditional AI is reactive. It responds when you ask something, but it rarely takes initiative. Enter AI agents. AI agents change that paradigm. Instead of simply answering questions, AI agents are designed to achieve goals. Think of an AI agent as a digital worker. You give it an objective, and it figures out how to complete that objective. The agent can analyze the task, break it into steps, use tools, gather data, and perform actions until the goal is achieved. This is the key difference. AI agents don't just generate text. They perform tasks. Let's imagine a simple request. You tell an AI, find the 10 most promising AI startups this year and create a short report. A normal chatbot might give you a quick answer based on its existing knowledge, but an AI agent could approach the task very differently. First, it searches for recent articles. Then it collects information about different companies. Next, it analyzes trends and compares the startups. Finally, it generates a structured report. All of this happens step by step, without you guiding each stage. This is what makes AI agents powerful. They turn artificial intelligence into something that can execute workflows. Most AI agent systems are built around several key components. The goal. Every AI agent begins with a goal. This goal defines what the system is trying to accomplish. It acts as the North Star, planning. Once the goal is understood, the agent begins planning. It breaks the task into smaller steps, similar to how humans approach difficult tasks. Tools. One of the most powerful features of AI agents is their ability to use tools. These might include search engines, databases, or APIs. Memory. For longer workflows, memory becomes essential. It allows the agent to remember what steps it has completed and which sources it analyzed. AI agents often operate in a reason-act loop. First, the agent reasons about the next step. Then it performs an action using a tool. After that, it observes the result. Based on the outcome, it decides what to do next. This flexibility allows it to handle complex words. Another exciting development is multi-agent systems. Instead of a single agent, multiple agents can collaborate, mirroring how human teams operate. One agent gathers information, another analyzes the data, and another writes the final report. Specialization allows them to solve much larger problems. Several frameworks like AutoGPT, LangChain, and Crue help developers build these systems. These frameworks provide tools for planning and memory. Despite their potential, AI agents still face challenges. Reliability is a major issue. They sometimes misunderstand instructions or choose inefficient strategies. Cost is another factor. Complex workflows require multiple model calls, which increases computation costs. Speed can also be slower than simple chatbots because of these challenges. Most systems still require human supervision. But looking ahead, AI agents could transform many industries. They could automate research, analyze large datasets, handle customer support, and coordinate complex business operations. AI is moving beyond simple chat. It is becoming a technology capable of reasoning, planning, and acting. AI agents may become a core foundation of the next generation of software. Subscribe and stay tuned for more about emerging technology.